Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is another look at the Windows Registry and our little series on the Registry editor and the Registry in Windows. So today we're going to look at what are hives, keys, subkeys, and the values that they represent. Now it might look complicated. Maybe you're saying, wow, this is too complicated for me. Well, follow, and you know what? Why not use your registry editor and just follow? You don't have to change anything. You just follow if you don't want to change anything, and there's no danger in that. So start your registry editor in Windows 7. You go into the run command. You type regedit in Windows 8, Windows 10. You can type regedit in the search, and you'll see that this is a registry editor. So we'll take a look at HKey current user. This is what we call a hive. Why? Because it's the top level in all of the options that are available in this part of the registry, basically. So we'll go and click the little arrow on the left to expand it. And now we will go into software. Software is a key. So within the hive, which is at the top level, we now have gone into a sub-level that is called a key. If you expand software and go into Microsoft, what we have when we expand a key is a subkey. So everything you see here are subkeys of the first key, which is software. So subkeys are simply keys. They're just keys within a key. It's like having folders. You have subfolders, which are simply a folder inside a folder. So this is a subkey. Expand Microsoft and go into Internet Explorer. Once again, this is another subkey, which is a key within a key. Expand Internet Explorer, and now we'll click on Main. Don't expand it. So the main subkey, which is once again another subkey, is also giving us on the right side values. So if you click, and that's what we're going to do, just look at something called Start Page. Here you see that my start page is www.google.com. This is the page that Internet Explorer is starting with. So let's just, for the fun of it, start Internet Explorer on my PC, and you'll see that Google is the page that opens up. If you want to try a little experiment, let's right click on this. And by the way, if you're a little scared, don't do it. But you know what? There's no harm in here as long as you observe rules. So I'm going to change the google.com page, and I'm going to change it for a website that I go very often, which is spaceweather.com. Right click and click modify. And here you see that the URL is right here on the top. So click and just erase the web address up to the W's. Don't erase the rest. And type in the URL or address of a website that you know. So here, www.spaceweather.com. And I'll click OK. Now, you might have to close the registry for this to be saved. And another thing that might happen, in some instance, you might have to restart your PC for it to work. So it depends on your computer. But once you start, it's going to start. Now you see it's starting here my Google page, but it's telling me at the bottom here, an unknown program wants to change your homepage to www.spaceweather.com. This is normal because this is a protection in Internet Explorer. Because many viruses just want to change your start page through the registry, it will ask you, do you really want to do that? So here I'm going to click yes, I want to change. And here we go. Now I've got spaceweather.com, and that's going to be my main page. In some computers, like I said, you might need to restart your PC. So this video shows you what are hives, keys, subkeys, and the values that go with them. and how to modify them. Now this modification was easy, sorry, because it was for a web page, but sometimes some of the values are numeric and it depends on what value you are changing in there. So hope you enjoyed this little look into the registry. Once again, if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. You'll be informed when new videos are online. Give us thumbs up and hope that you enjoy our videos.